What's going on? Michael Petty here, and I just want to touch bases about ChatGPT. Not a long video, just something real quick. When using ChatGPT, it's great for creating content creation, but you don't want to use it as it is. You know what I mean? What you want to do is you want to edit it, okay? You want to edit the information to make sure that it sounds like you, okay? And this is me personally. You can do whatever you want. You ain't got to take my advice, but when you're conversating with another person, don't use ChatGPT. Because there's a certain writing style that ChatGPT uses that I can somewhat pick up on. I can tell when a person uses it. So at that moment, I lose an instant connection with the person because I know it's not them. I'm chatting with an AI. I don't want to chat with an AI. Me and you supposed to be connected. So why am I chatting with AI? Okay. Now you can, if you need to use it as an idea and say, okay, let me type this in. How would I respond to this? Because you can't think of anything to say or proper words to use. Type it in, then go back and say, okay, well, I'm gonna say it this way. Make it sound like you, right? Don't just copy and paste it. Even in your content, don't just copy and paste it. It's an assistant, okay? It's a guideline. That's it. It's not an end all be all with the end of just it created. Okay, that's perfect. You don't even read it over. You just copy and paste it. Okay. First of all, nobody's speaking quotations. Okay. And there's a little certain words that people don't use in a daily conversation, right? It's easy to pick up on. I guess I use it all the time. So when it creates something, I go through and I revise it, edit it, fine tune it, do all that before I even send it out. I even do that with all my content that I put out there. I make sure that it fits what I want to say, that it fits my personality, that it fits the way I speak. Okay, so make sure you do that if you're using ChatGPT. All right, so that's it. Michael Petty signing off. See you in the next video.